Okay, we're in our last 5 mother sauces. Okay, so this is our final exams. I already taught you how to make a stock before. So sa stock po natin, pwedeng beef, pork, stock, vegetable stock, fish stock. All you have to do is to make your mirepoix. Okay, ito po yung mga ito yung carrots, onions which has been hacked into cube and then place it in your water. Okay, and of course you have pork, yung mga buto-buto po ng pork, or yung beef, yung bones po ng beef, or you either have fish stock. Okay, all you have to do is your mirepoix. You can now place actually your spices and your herbs in your stock. And of course, as the word stock, ni-stock po nyo siya sa ref. Now, you can use this for your sauces. Okay, so in our 5 mother sauces, our 5th sauce is our Espagnole. Okay, our Espagnole, actually, we're making the classic one. So we have, again, our pan that has already been heated. We are now placing our butter. Okay. And we will be using our stock later. The stock that we're going to use actually here is beef, but we can also use chicken stock. Okay. So, this is similar to your veloute. Okay, so we have here our butter that's being creamed. We are again making our roux, but this is going to be a brown roux. Okay, so all you have to do is mix this together. See to eat up your flour is there. Okay, mixed with your butter. You have already creamed it. Okay, now we are again placing, okay, our stock. Okay, there you are. Okay, we are now placing our onion. We have our garlic. Okay, now we are placing our carrots. Okay. And if you think that there are lumps, you still have to add a little stock. But with our mixture, we don't have lumps of our flour. It is already creamy. Let it simmer. Okay, but we simply have to add just a little more of our stock. Okay, so while back, I placed my butter, my flour, the onion, the garlic, the carrots. This is our Espagnole classic sauce. Just let it simmer. And of course, I already taught you how to make the stock, and we simply added our stock. In here, we are placing tomato puree. Okay, so here is our tomato puree that we are mixing. Okay, we simply had shown you earlier how to make our tomato puree. We showed this in our tomato sauce. We blanched the tomato, hot blanch, then cold blanch, and then we peeled our tomato. And this is it, our tomato puree. Okay, and let it simmer for a while, but we are now going to add your salt again and your pepper. What's the difference of our veloute sauce and our Espagnole is your veloute does not have a tomato puree, but our Espagnole has tomato puree. So this is it, and we are going to thicken it a little. Okay, simmer it at least 5 minutes, and you can now place this in your food. It could be chicken, fried chicken, or fish, or either you can have pork or beef. This is now your Espagnole sauce. We are on our last plating, which is our Espagnole sauce. See to it that you don't place all the other ingredients. All you have to do is just simply place your sauce there into your meat, your pork, or your beef. Okay, this is now our Espagnole. This is our Espagnole sauce. Okay, so here we are, our delicious Espagnole sauce. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is our finale, our 5 mother sauces. I wish you have enjoyed our semester for this SEM. It's COVID time, but even with the COVID time, we have online classes. This is Educate. So please subscribe, like our YouTube. Okay, we have here our closing. I just want to give the message, learn more, discover your talent in cooking. And of course, this is our 5 mother sauces, our bechamel sauce, our hollandaise, our tomato sauce, our veloute, and our Espagnole sauce. This is our kitchen essentials, 5 mother sauces. Thank you so much, and Merry Christmas po sa ating lahat. Enjoy the holidays.